Want to unlock that awesome new skin without delay? This video shows you how to use Apple Pay to get your bucks, quick and easy. First, make sure your Apple Pay is set up and ready to go on your iPhone or iPad. Head over to the App Store app on your device. It's usually found on your home screen or in your app library. Once you're in the App Store, search for Fortnite in the search bar if you don't already have the app. If you already have it, just tap Open. If not, go ahead and tap the Get button to download and install the game. Alright, now that Fortnite is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Vbucks icon. It looks like a stylized V with a currency symbol. Tap on that. A screen will appear displaying the various Vbucks packages you can purchase. Choose the amount that you need or want. Tap on the package you want to buy. Now, the Apple Pay confirmation screen should pop up. It will show you the amount you're about to be charged and which card is being used. Verify that everything is correct. To complete the purchase, simply use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your passcode as prompted by Apple Pay. Once authenticated, you'll see a confirmation animation, letting you know the transaction went through. Tap Done. Congratulations, your Vbucks should now be added to your account. You can see the updated balance in the top right corner. Now, go ahead and use those Vbucks to snag those awesome skins, emotes, or whatever you've been eyeing. That's it, enjoy your new Vbucks, and get back in the game.